Everyone can buy an expensive gift, but a truly special gift is the one that has your time, effort, and love invested in it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a beautiful handmade bouquet using pipe cleaners. For this project, I am using pipe cleaners in two different colors. First I take three pink pipe cleaners and attach them together. Then I use another pipe cleaner to twist them and create the shape of a flower. To curl the edge of pearls, you can use any stick or tool you have. I couldn't find one, so I used my lip liner and it worked perfectly. Next, I make the rest of the petals and attach them together with the popsicle sticks to create the flower stem. Then I wrap the stick with green tape to create a natural look. It's time for a little makeup. Since I couldn't have any craft color, I used my lipstick and face powder to add some shading of the flowers. You can also use eyeshadow to make them look even more realistic. When the flowers are ready, I wrap them in a bouquet sheet and turn them into beautiful handmade bouquet. And finally, don't forget to take lots of pictures because preserving memories is just as important as creating them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you in the next video.